you kidding me?
I don't understand how they lost it. I mean, it has to be in that area somewhere.
I smell something funny.
Close your legs.
You're an ass.
We got a monkey in here. Kim can't even respond to that. How can you? That's good. That's good.
Oh, Christ, how can you respond to that? Like,
She had something good yesterday. I don't remember what it was, but it was so good. I gave her an air 10.
oh my God.
I'm crying just a little.
Oh, Christ.
Brian's funny today.
Andy, can you send me your updated email list? I should have done that yesterday.
I hate you all.
Remember yesterday when we were outside and Kim was doing that? She was like, what's
Did I hear something clever?
Wait, what happened? Air high five for that.
Hey, what's happening?
She did a little dance with her knees, like, kind of like, do one
Okay.
with her knees. She goes, what's
Yeah.
that clapping sound?